everyone. Tonight I'll be making tomato basil chicken, which comes from this Campbell's collection cookbook. So what all goes into the tomato basil chicken? 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 4 skinless boneless chicken breasts. These are really big. You want about a pound. These are going to be more than a pound, I'm sure. 1 can, 10 3/4 ounces Campbell's tomato soup, 1/2 cup milk, 2 tablespoons grated Parmesan cheese, 1/2 teaspoon dried basil, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, or 2 cloves garlic minced. I'm going to go with the 2 cloves garlic minced, and 4 cups hot cooked medium tube shaped macaroni, 3 cups uncooked. I don't have that many, so I'll just fix all that I have. So let's begin. So take a pan and over medium-high heat, heat up your oil. Then take your chicken breasts and cook them for 10 minutes or until brown. These may take a little bit longer because they are huge breasts. I thought about cutting them in half, but I like thick breasts. So the chicken is brown. It doesn't have to be all the way done. We'll remove them to a plate. Then add your tomato soup and your 1/2 cup of milk and your 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, the 2 cloves of minced garlic, and your 1/2 teaspoon of dried basil. Mix that up. And it's up to a boil. We'll reduce the heat, add the chicken back in, and cover that and cook it until the chicken is no longer pink. So here is the tomato basil chicken on top of the medium-sized tube macaroni. And rounding out the meal is mixed vegetables. Let's see what Dave thinks.
This is very good.
It's tomato basil chicken.
I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.